Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into one of the most exciting, and let's be honest, chaotic corners of the crypto universe, meme coins. You've seen them everywhere, from Dogecoin to Shiba Inu and beyond. These coins often start as a joke, but can sometimes explode in value, creating some wild stories. But how do you navigate this space without getting lost? Let's break it down. First things first, what exactly is a meme coin? Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are built on serious tech and have clear use cases, meme coins are inspired by internet jokes and pop culture. Their value is almost entirely driven by community hype and social media trends. Think of it like a massive online popularity contest, but with real money on the line. This means they are incredibly volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next. So, rule number one is crucial. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Seriously. Treat it like entertainment money, not your life savings. So, how do you spot a potential winner in this digital jungle? It's all about the community. A strong, active, and positive community is the lifeblood of any meme coin. Look for projects with a big following on platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. Are people engaged? Are the developers communicating openly? A vibrant community can create the momentum needed for a coin to take off. Also, check the project's website and white paper. Even if it started as a joke, is there a roadmap? Are there any plans for utility beyond just being a meme? This can be a sign of a more serious project. Now, let's talk about timing. In the world of meme coins, timing is everything. Getting in early, before the hype goes mainstream, is where the biggest potential lies. But this is also the riskiest time. A great strategy is to watch for what the big influencers in the space are talking about, but always do your own research. Don't just blindly follow someone's advice. When it's time to sell, having a plan is key. It's easy to get greedy when you see prices climbing, but remember to take profits along the way. Set a target price and stick to it. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Ultimately, meme coins are a high-risk, high-reward game. They can be a lot of fun and potentially profitable if you play your cards right, but they can also be a quick way to lose money. Do your homework, understand the risks, and never forget the golden rule of investing only what you can afford to lose. It's a wild ride, so buckle up and trade smart. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto content.